Hi, it's Phil here. I'm here today to show you my Nissan X-Trail 2.2 dCi SVE, so top of the range. So start with the front first and take you around. There's a slight mark there, as you can see, taking you down the line of the car. It's all good. The wheels, 70,000 miles, I think 2 or 3 owners from new. It's got a slight mark there. I think it's 3 owners plus myself, to be fair. Taking the rear of the car, as you can see, it's got parking sensors, a slight mark on the bumper there. Double socket adapter. Now it's a category N car. It's had the passenger side rear door replaced. Didn't bother repairing it, just replaced it. You wouldn't know any different. Okay, insurance gone mad. There's the wheels, the door there again, and the front wing. It's in super, as you can see, it's just a really nice proper correct. See, it's got the pan roof as well. It's the top of the range. Taking down the line of the car there. So there you have it. What I'll do now is I'll take you in the inside of the car. So I'll see you in a second. Hi, it's Phil again. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you inside the car, starting with the engine bay. Now it's just had a full service. So have a good look round. It's a full HD video, so you can stop and start and do what you need to do. Okay, and there you go. Don't forget the car's just had a full service and 12 months MOT with no advisories. So I'll take you inside the car now. So don't forget this is an SVE, so it's got full electric windows, it's got electric door mirrors and what have you, full multi-function steering wheel, satellite navigation. It's got the panoramic roof, full leather. It's also got the electric seats and heated seats. As you can see, it's got 2 keys with it, aircon, CD player and so on. But just look at the condition, look at the seats. It's only done 70,000 miles. I mean, it's just in super condition. Taking the rear, so here's the door card. Again, look at the seats. They've never been sat in. So it's absolutely super. A couple of marks there which will take you. So here's the boot. Got the tow bar with a double socket, as you can see. And there you go. So, as you can see, it's got the electric front seats. As I said, it's got 2 keys with it, and it's got ½ an inch worth of bills. It's got full service history, and it's got the majority of all the old MOTs as well. It's got great MOT service history with it as well. So there you have it. If you need any further information on the car, give me a call. My number is 07775 038 270. Just to recap, category N car, 70,000 miles, full service history, 3 owners, sorry, including myself, no new. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, and I hope to hear from you soon.